Today we will start with question number 7. Now see, in question number 7 it is given that y equal to x plus tan x, and we have to prove that here we have to prove that cos square x d2y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x equal to 0. For that, what we are doing here, y equal to x plus tan x, so dy by dx, here this one we have to prove. We have to prove that cos square x d2y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x equal to 0. So here, what we are doing here, first we are differentiating. Y differentiate is what? Dy by dx, x is 1, tan x is sec square x. After that, second differential, that is d2y by dx square. One differential is 0. Sec square x means what? Sec square x means sec x the whole square. So first differential of power, that is 2 sec x, and then sec x differential is what? Sec x into tan x. Remember this one, sec square x means what? Sec x the whole square. So first differential of power 2 sec x, then sec x differential sec x into tan x. Okay. Now here d2y by dx square plus 2 sec x into sec square x into tan x, d2y by dx square plus equal to 2 sec square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. Tan x is as usual, this cos square x will go on the other side. You will get cos square x d2y by dx square equal to 2 tan x. Okay. Once more I am telling us here, d2y by dx square you are getting 2 sec square x into tan x. d2y by dx square, that is 2 sec square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. This cos square x goes on the other side, cos square x d2y by dx square equal to 2 tan x. Now we know that tan x equal to what? Y minus x. Tan x equal to what? Y minus x. So here cos square x d2y by dx square equal to 2. Tan x can be written as what? Y minus x. Now you multiply 2y minus 2x and take it on the left hand side. So you are getting cos square x d2y by dx square minus 2y plus 2x equal to 0. Followed? Next, related to this, question number 8 number 2. Remember, 8 number 2, that is similar to question number 7 number 1. So 8 number 2, that will be homework for you. It is similar, only difference is that in place of tan x there is cot x. Okay. And there will be changes in the proof. So it is similar to question number 7 number 1. 8 number 2 and 7 number 1 are same. Next we will come to question number 7 number 2. Okay. Now in 7 number 2, here it is given that y equal to tan x plus sec x. Here we have to prove that d2y by dx square equal to cos x by 1 minus sin x the whole square. Okay. You have to prove this one. Now for that, what you will do here? First differentiate dy by dx. So dy by dx, that is tan x differential is sec square x. Sec x differential is sec x tan x. Now you see, as our proof that is in cos and sin, it is better to convert this quantity into cos and sin. So dy by dx, you are getting 1 by cos square x plus this one is 1 by cos x sin x by cos x. Now further we can write dy by dx equal to 1 plus sin x by cos square x dy by dx 1 plus sin x, and here this one we can simplify right as 1 minus sin square x. Now this 1 minus sin square x can be written as dy by dx equal to 1 plus sin x, and here 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. These two will cancel out. Dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus sin x. Now d2y by dx square. d2y by dx square. Now listen here. Here we can do in a shortcut method. d2y by dx square. We know that 1 by x differential is what? Minus 1 by x square. So here 1 by 1 minus sin x is there. Its differential will be minus by 1 by 1 minus sin x the whole square. Okay. Once more I am explaining. 1 by x differential is minus 1 by x square. So 1 by 1 minus sin x can be written as what? Differential will be what? Minus 1 by 1 minus sin x the whole square. And then differential of the inner one. So inner differential 1 is 0 minus sin x is cos x. So d2y by dx square equal to minus plus cos x by 1 minus sin x the whole square. So this is the required proof. So first of all we are converting into cos x, first differential, then convert that one into sin and cos, simplify that one and differentiate once more. Okay. Next. Question number 8, number 1. Y equal to sec x minus tan x. 8, number 1. Y equal to sec x minus tan x. And we have to prove that dy by dx, prove that cos x d2y by dx square. Cos x d2y by dx square equal to y square. Okay. So here what we have to do, differentiate dy by dx, that is sec x tan x minus sec square x. Okay. Then once more we will differentiate d2y by dx square. Sec x differential is sec x tan x into tan x plus sec x tan x differential is sec square x minus sec square x differential, that is 2 sec x into sec x tan x. See here, we have to prove that cos x d2y by dx square equal to y square. Now see, dy by dx, sec x differential is sec x tan x differential is sec square x. Now here, when we will go to the second differential, d2y by dx, so this is u into v form. So here, sec x differential is what? Sec x tan x. We are leaving tan x as it is. Then leave sec x tan x differential sec square x minus this sec square x means what? Sec x the whole square. So it will be 2 sec x, first differential of power, then differential of sec x into tan x. So d2y by dx square equal to, from here we will take sec x common, we are getting tan square x plus sec square x minus 2 sec x into tan x. d2y by dx square, that is sec x, and here a square plus b square minus 2b, this can be written as, sec x can be written as 1 by cos x, and this can be written as sec x minus tan x the whole square. This cos x will go on the other side, cos x d2y by dx square equal to sec x minus tan x, that is y square. Sec x minus tan x is y square. Okay. 8 number 2 I have already told, that is homework. Then 9 number 1. Y equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power minus mx. We have to prove that y2 minus m square y2 minus m square y equal to 0. First differential, here it is written y2 means what? d2y by dx square, y1 means what? dy by dx. So here dy by dx, that is a, e to the power mx differential is what? E to the power mx into m plus b e to the power minus mx, that is e to the power minus mx into minus m. So dy by dx, that is am e to the power mx minus bm e to the power minus mx. Once more we will differentiate. d2y by dx square equal to am e to the power mx, that is e to the power mx into m minus bm e to the power minus mx into minus m. So d2y by dx square equal to a e to the power mx into m square minus m square minus plus b e to the power minus mx into m square. d2y by dx square, that is m square common, a e to the power mx minus plus b e to the power minus mx. So this is d2y by dx square equal to m square y. So here d2y by dx square can be written as y2 equal to m square y, or y2 minus m square y equal to 0. You can also write d2y by dx, that is understandable. Okay. So here first differential, a e to the power mx, that is what? E to the power mx, then mx differential into m, b e to the power minus mx, e to the power minus mx, then minus mx differential is minus m. After that second differential, then take m square common, this will be y again, and this is the answer. Question number, this is question number 9 number 2. 9 number 2, that is similar to question number 9 number 1. So 9 number 2 will be also homework. Whatever homework I am giving, please do it. And secondly, whatever, if there is any doubt, write in the comment section, I will clear it out here. Okay. Now next. So 9 number 2 will be homework. 9 number 3. Nine number 3 it is given that y equal to a e to the power 2x, y equal to a e to the power 2x plus b a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x. We have to prove that d2y by dx square d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0. So here, this is our required proof. Here little bit problem may be there. See how to do this type of proof. dy by dx, that is a, e to the power 2x differential, that is e to the power 2x into 2, plus b, e to the power minus x differential minus 1. So dy by dx equal to 2a e to the power 2x minus b e to the power minus x. Then the second differential, that is d2y by dx square, that is 2a e to the power 2x differential is e to the power 2x into 2 minus b e to the power minus x, then minus x differential is minus 1. d2y by dx square, that is 4a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x. This is d2y by dx square. Now our requirement is d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0. So it is very difficult to find out how to prove that one. So what you will do here, on the left hand side our requirement is what? d2y by dx square, we have got this one. Second requirement is what? Minus dy by dx. So what you will do, you write minus dy by dx on both sides. Just see here, d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 4a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x minus dy by dx. First of all, we are determining d2y by dx square. After determining d2y by dx square, our first motive will be we have to prove this one. So we require minus dy by dx. Directly we are not getting. So our requirement is minus dy by dx. So we are writing minus dy by dx on both sides. Now see here. See here that on the right hand side we don't require minus dy by dx. So what we will do, we will put the value of dy by dx here. So d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 4a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x minus dy by dx. Dy by dx value is what? This is the value of dy by dx. Just put the value of dy by dx. 2a e to the power 2x minus b e to the power minus x. So d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 4a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x minus 2a e to the power 2x minus plus b e to the power minus x. d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to, you are getting 2a, 4a minus 2a, 2a e to the power 2x plus 2b e to the power minus x. Okay, now from here we can take common. So here d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 2 common, this is a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power minus x. d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 2y. d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0, because this is the value of y. Alright. So this is our required sum. Next, question number 10. Question number 10, that is similar to question number 9. So you can take question number 10 as homework. 10 number 2 I will do here. 10 number 1 will be homework. Remember 10 number 1, question number 10 number 1 will be homework. 10 number 2, that is also similar to 10 number 1, but still I am doing it here. 10 number 2. In 10 number 2 it is given that y equal to a cos nx plus b sin nx. So that d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square plus n square y equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx, this can be written as what? A cos differential is what? Minus sine, so minus sine nx. Then nx differential is into n plus b sin x differential is what? Cos x, so cos nx, and then nx differential is n. So dy by dx, we are taking n common. It is minus a sin nx plus b cos nx. d2y by dx square equal to, again we will differentiate, this is n minus a sin differential is cos nx into n plus cos differential is what? Minus sin, so minus b sin nx, and then nx differential is into n. Now from here we can take minus common, n common. So d2y by dx square equal to minus n also common, so minus n square. You are left with a cos nx plus b sin nx. So this is y. d2y by dx square equal to minus n square y. d2y by dx square plus n square y equal to 0. So this is our required proof. Now in previous exercise, one doubt was there in question number 7 number 2, that I will clear it out here. Just see. Doubt, that is exercise 5.1 to 7 number 2, I think. Just see here. X here it is given that x equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Y equal to 3 cos t minus cos 3t. 3 cos t minus cos 3t. Find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 3. Find dy by dx at t equal to pi by 3. Okay. So this is our required question. So dx by dt. Dx by dt can be written as 3 cos t minus sin t differential is what? Cos 3t into 3. dy by dt minus 3 sin t minus plus sin 3t into 3. dy by dx, that is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, that is minus 3 sin t plus 3 sin 3t divided by dx by dt, that is 3 cos t minus 3 cos 3t. Now we'll put the values. Just put the values. Okay. T equal to pi by 3, so dy by dx minus 3 sin pi by 3 plus 3 sin 3 into pi by 3 divided by 3 cos pi by 3 minus 3 cos 3 into pi by 3. This will cancel out, this will cancel out. Minus 3 sin pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2 plus 3 sin pi divided by 3 cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 minus 3 cos pi. So this one is minus 3 root 3 by 2 plus sin pi is 0 divided by 3 by 2 minus 3. Now here so this one is minus 3 root 3 by 2, and here when we will take LCM, this was 6 minus 6 minus 3 by 2. This will cancel out, 2 will cancel out, minus 3 will cancel out, and you are left with one more here, 3 is there, okay. So this is, you are left with minus root 3. On rationalization you will get minus root 3 by 3, okay. So this will be the required answer. Remember this one, okay. So here sine pi by 3 at t equal to pi by 3, sine pi by 3, that is what? Root 3 by 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 plus 3. Then sine pi, that is 0. This is 3 cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 minus, this one is 3 cos pi is what? Minus 1. Here cos pi is minus 1. Just hold, this one is minus 1. So minus was plus. So this will become 3 by 2 plus 3. So just hold 1 minute here. Minus 3 root 3 by 2. So you are getting minus 3 root 3 by 6 minus 9 by 2 divided by 9 by 2. 3 3s are, so this is minus root 3 by 3, or that is minus 1 by root 3. So this is the required answer. Okay. So we will do up till here only. Next class we will proceed.